This is Club Dinu Intense Man by Armaf. In this video, I'll be sharing my honest take on this beautiful perfume. Whether it's still relevant today in 2024, the price, the reformulations, and the performance. Everyone in the fragrance community knows this perfume. It's the most popular clone of the King, Creed Aventus. It was released in 2015 by the House of Armaf, a popular Arab clone house. The first time I learned about this perfume is in 2019 after watching perfume reviewers in YouTube, namely Jeremy Fragrance, Jensen's, Chaos Fragrance, Joy Amin, and a local perfume reviewer, Fragrance RX. They were all comparing this with the King Creed Aventus. They were all impressed with the performance. I got curious and I blind bought one bottle. It was my first Arab clone perfume and I loved it. People back then were comparing this with Lemon Pledge, toilet cleaners. Some even say that it smells bad and very synthetic. Personally, I like the opening. I like the sharp opening. I like loud perfumes and I enjoyed the lemon opening of this perfume. After a few minutes comes the dry down, and oh boy, it's so magical. It's a combination of smoky, musky, woody, and fresh scent in a very good way, in a very nice way. It really smells very good. Since then, I had two bottles every year. It has been my most used perfume, my go-to perfume, kinda like my signature perfume. People talk about batches and reformulations. Some people say that older batches were better. I disagree because I've owned different batches of bottles and their performances were the same. Some also talk about batches being produced in UAE, comparing it with batches produced in France. They say that the batches produced in UAE are better, but I also disagree again because I owned both and performances were the same, literally the same. I used to work as a field service engineer going into different places, different cities. And I received compliments wherever I go whenever using this. Always gets compliments from men and women alike. People from different age range, people from different ages enjoyed the scent, particularly the dry down. I noticed, however, that there are people that don't like the harsh opening. Like when I spray this in the office, I get mixed comments, both negative and positive. So there are people who doesn't like harsh lemon openings, but there are some who like it. So I learned the trick. I spray this before leaving the house. So then when I get to my workplace, the people around will simply enjoy the dry down. They will not they will not be smelling anymore the harsh opening. The projection of this one is simply beast mode. The longevity is the same. It lasts the whole day. On clothes, it will last for days. The smell gets better as you sweat, especially on the dry down. It will project a manly aura that both men and women will enjoy. When I go on business trips, I spray this on the clothes inside my luggage. And then the clothes inside my luggage will smell terrific during my entire trip. For the price, this is around 35 USD. It's very cheap compared with the OG Aventus. I don't own Aventus, but I've tried it. I only sprayed it when I was in Korea. I tested it in a mall. They were very generous with the tester. This is not a one-to-one clone of Aventus. Creed Aventus is smooth from opening to dry down. But when it comes to the dry down, this is a spot-on clone. People will not recognize the difference. That's for sure. People will not recognize the difference when they smell this in the air, when they smell Aventus, particularly on the dry down. When should you wear this? Anytime, any season. But for me, it works better on warmer weather. You can wear it dress up or even in casual clothes. If you can go past the harsh opening, you will definitely love this. If you like this type of content, please hit the subscribe button. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching.